to speak too loud. I can hear it in the way you breathe. Every scar you've tried to hide, I can read between the leaves. Don't cover what's been torn. I've seen hearts beautiful